Anukode Crossword Puzzles are puzzles that combine numbers and letters to form standard English words. Now, to start off, let's look at this. The number 1 represents A, B, or C. Number 2 represents D, E, or F, and so on until number 9, which represents X or Y. Now, in this crossword, we have a tip. The tips are two. We have the word horse and the word hides. Yeah? So if we outside the word horse, then H should be the beginning, which means where there's a 3, there's likely to be a H. And this is the only place that starts with a 3, which means this, where we have the H. And it follows that 5 is M, N, or O. In this case, is O because of the word horse. So that is O. And follows 6 is R. 7 is S. And 2 is E. And that's the word horse. Then look for the word hides. Hides, we know there's already H here. There is a 3 here, and the 3 can be G, H, or I, which means then there's an I here. And then it follows that this is D, this 2 is E, and this is an S. That's the word hides. And then from this line, we have a word starting with D, D, then 5, which is supposed to be N, M, or O, which it can only be O. And then we have a 5 here, which can be M, N, or O. And for this case, I pick N. And then a 7. A 7, I pick S, T, or U. I decide to pick U. And an S, or a T, or a U. I decide to pick a T for the word donut. Now, for this other word that begins with S, we have a 5 following that, which means M, N, or O. I pick an O. And then for 4, I pick an L. And then for 1, I can only pick A. The only possibility is A. And for 6, the only possibility here is an R. Yeah, that gives us the word solar. Then we have this word here. Here, a 2 can only be E. And here, this 1 can only be an A for the word Renault. The last word here is this one. We have a 5, and this can be M, N, or O. For this case, it's only possible with N. And for this 2, it can only be E. And that forms the word enter. And that clears and finishes the crossword Anukode. And for more, if you want to play Anukode more, you come to this website here. You check on various Anukodes, play them, enjoy them at all levels, junior level, senior level, and master's level. Welcome to Anukode. Thank you.